attempt to
It's just a show.
take the plastic off of the air conditioner.
You don't know where it is?
And we'll see if there's any spiders in there. There's the remote. Oh, there's one. Just a daddy long leg.
Oh, there's a... Where?
I need to get this out. Okay, who wants to be part of a free piece video?
That would be me.
You only have to work for it.
Yay. Alright.
Can you carry this
Of
into
course.
my room? Right on.
You want to go through stash room?
Yep.
Yay.
Rockin'.
Your room is rocking.
Oh, it's so much better than me trying to do it. Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Right on.
Yay.
Yeah. Very cool. I didn't have to lift it. Well, except to put it on that table outside. And that was my housemate's brother, who's very cool. Okay, well, it's in. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Oh, it's the battery in this. Makes sense. Well, that was anticlimactic. Hey, how does a turtle get out of his glass cage?
He wasn't in the glass.
Oh.
Tank.
Where was he? What's the deal? Rocky the turtle was in this
Yes.
in a
With some
baking
weighted
pan.
rocks. With
In
some
a baking pan.
With paper over it and everything
Yes.
like that.
And the seasonings were on the side.
Yes. Within 3 hours time, he was gone.
And you got out of that. Well, I mean, that looks like it. The lid lifts. I thought he
No,
escaped
he
from that.
He didn't escape from that one. Get it, free piece. Get it.
Getting it.
Quit.
Yeah.
Only white girl.
What's that?
You're not the only white girl.
I'm not the
Yes.
only white girl.
Well, not the only white girl now. I'm sorry, but not.
Who's
not
in our
white.
neighborhood?
I don't know. We saw her at the liquor store. She said she just moved here or over here.
Another white girl.
She probably came from.
There's another one on 11th Ave.
They're all hiding though.
Yeah, they're hiding. We're the best of the best of the best.
That's the best soap.
What's on?
Send them my way. I'll give them tips on how to be a white girl in this neighborhood.